Do you show up at the airport early or right before the boarding time? Okay, that is really good question. Okay. Okay, first of all, this question is actually belongs to the US and Europe people. It not belongs to the Asian or specifically not Indian. Because of that, the first mode of transportation that we use is a train. Okay, यानी कहीं पे अगर हमें जाना है तो यूजुअली वी प्रेफर टू ट्रेन इंस्टेड ऑफ एयरपोर्ट. यूएस में या यूरोप में पीपल यूज टू टेक एयरपोर्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कि kind of like I don't know why they choose like a I don't know, like most of people they choose airport. Yeah, I should supposed to be asked this question that कि क्या यूएस में ट्रेन्स नहीं है क्या? आई एम नॉट रियली श्योर, क्योंकि यूएस में जितने भी सारी फिल्म्स है या जितने सारी जो लाइक द बेसिकली द वे दैट आई गेट इन्फ्लुएंस फ्रॉम द यूएस एंड यूएस सोसाइटी वगैरह, तो मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल या मूवीज़ या वेब सीरीज़ में यूजुअली एयरपोर्ट को ही वे ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन को ज़रिया माना जाता है, not trains. Like basically I haven't really seen that much kind of like a something like people who actually take train. I don't know, yeah, but the question is actually about that ki have you ever kind of like a something like went to the airport way early before the flight or kind of like a, at the moment of the flight? um First of all is that ki in my entire life there is only at like basically मैंने बस एक ही बार एक तरह से एयरपोर्ट का इस्तेमाल किया है. ओके, दैट डे वाज रियली इनक्रेडिबल. ओके, एंड आई हैवंट रियली लाइक फॉरगेट दैट मोमेंट. ओके, विच इज़ लाइक ये हमारी पहली फ़्लाइट थी, पहली एयरपोर्ट फ्लाइट थी. ओके, at 6th of February 2020 we decided to go from Nagpur to Goa. Okay, why? Like all those cousins are gathered, so we decided to go to the Goa and just be a fun. So we booked the flight and flight at 6th of February at 11 a.m. Okay, I was at the Nagpur, so usually I reach at airport at 6 a.m. Sorry, 8 a.m. Okay, and flight at 11 a.m. So I reach at almost like a 3 hours ago. Okay, 3 hour, yeah, 3 hour ago. But usually we are going to Goa. All those cousins are going to Goa. Okay, and couple of cousins are actually coming from hometown. Okay, so problem is that at the 6th of February there is a kind of like a rain was happened, and because of that the cousin are not arrive at the time. Like they arrive at the airport at exactly 10:30 a.m. Okay, and flight at 11 a.m. They say like basically the people who actually administrator, they say that ki we will not allow you to board the flight because the checking, like there are kind of like a some story, like it's not a train, it's not a bus you just went there and sit. No, it's kind of like there are couple of procedure, like you went to checking, you went to this and that for couple of passenger or 1 2 3 passenger, they won't be able to kind of like a shift their like a change their boarding time वगैरह. No, it's not. They are kind of like a like very strict with this schedule and things like that. So so unfortunately we missed that flight. Okay, yeah, and all those money and everything is gone, which is really like a really a lot. Like basically the one uh, like for one passenger we spend almost like a 14,000 rupees. Okay, that means like three of us. Okay, I already arrive at the airport, but obviously is this thing I won't be able to went there by alone. How I supposed to, like basically all my cousin didn't really arrive at the airport. How do I supposed to like like where to go to? It's not nice. Like आप अपने cousin को छोड़ के कैसे जाओगे even if you arrive at early? So which is like a really fucked up thing. Okay, yeah, really fucked up thing. And that day we missed the flight, and we realized that ki what is actually the consequences of missing the flight, because the like like we just lost on that day almost like how many like almost like a 18,000, yeah, I don't know, like basically we spend that much amount of money, like 28, 30,000, and all those monies are gone, which is like really feels really bad. Okay, but like this is kind of like a something really happened, like at the early at वेकेशन. लाइक बेसिकली वी डिसाइडेड दैट कि गोवा में जाएंगे, बहुत मज़े करेंगे वगैरह, बट गोवा के जाने से पहले ही लाइक 30-40 हज़ार रुपये का फटका लग गया, एंड विच इज़ लाइक अ रियली फक्ड अप थिंग. ओके, then what is actually happened, we booked the another flight. Somehow we started managed somehow, like I have a bunch of money and couple of cousins have monies too. Okay, तो हमने पैसे का जुगाड़ करके दूसरी फ़्लाइट बुक की. ओके, जो एक तरह से कनेक्टिंग फ़्लाइट थी फ्रॉम नागपुर टू पुणे, पुणे टू बेंगलुरु, and Bangalore to Goa. Okay, so these are kind of like a 3 connecting flight, and it is like on that day I experienced the flight. Okay, on that day I experienced the airport, and which is really amazing. Is it amazing? Like basically इतना भी amazing नहीं था. Like basically I haven't really feel anything at all. Like it's kind of like a something equivalent to the किसी गाड़ी में बैठना या किसी एक तरह से ट्रेन में बैठना इज इक्विवेलेंट टू दैट. ओके, बट द मेन एडवांटेजेस इज दैट कि आई कवर ऑलमोस्ट लाइक thousands of kilometer within couple of hours. Okay, so which is really unique, because if I could kind of like a something like pick up a train, then it would kind of like a take 1 or 2 days to reach to that particular, like reach to the Goa. So obviously, okay, so since that day I decided that कि if I go or if I take a flight, I should supposed to be went to the airport at least 2 hours before. Okay, yeah, like even if kind of like a how much emergency that you have, you should supposed to prepare that कि हाँ चलो तुझे 2 घंटे पहले एयरपोर्ट में जाना ही है. Okay, yeah, but since then I haven't really get any chance to wait to airport, so I don't know. Yeah. Next question. No, not next question. It's been almost like a 31 minute. But dude, yeah, the weather is really good. Yeah, I really wanted to talk more. Alright, so let's talk more. Okay.